now.
Hi, today we are going to learn as to how to wash your One Air Plus mask replaceable filter. But first, let's sanitize our hands. This is your One Air Plus mask replaceable filter. Once you've worn it for 80 to 100 hours, remove it from the mask and give it a nice thorough wash in warm soapy water. Warm soapy water. Allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Once done, remove the filter and give it a gentle squeeze. A gentle squeeze this way to keep the filter flat and in shape. Avoid squeezing the filter this way or folding the filter. Rinse it in warm soapy water and a gentle squeeze. Once done, rinse it in regular warm water. Your good old regular tap water, but preferably warm. Once more, give it a thorough squeeze, but keep the filter flat so as to maintain the structure and the shape. Once it's thoroughly squeezed out, allow it to dry out on an absorbent material. It will take a few hours to dry out. Once dried, you can reuse the filter in your One Air Plus mask once more. Stay safe. Faith over fear. Thank you.